Today we take a broken iPhone 12 Pro. We will replace the back shield glass, so, let's get started after intro. Now we are setting up iPhone 12 Pro layout on CAD software for scanning phone on the laser machine. Firstly, select phone model and parts name for scanning. Then set value speed 7000, power 95, frequency 20, total value 3. After that, click on red light button. Now, place the phone on the laser machine. Check phone positioning physically with the help of red laser induction. After laser confirmation, click on the stop button. Now, click the mark button to start the final laser induction for glass removal. After finishing this process, now it's time to remove broken glasses from the phone body. It is a quite risky process for beginners. Be careful during this operation. In the camera area, use professional tools for removing glasses. Must be careful about dent on the camera lens. After finishing the glass removal process, now properly clean the phone back shield surface. Now apply the paste, for proper attachment of the new glass and phone body. Do not apply too much or too low paste on the surface. Apply all the area including all the edges. Now properly attach the new glass with the phone body. For better attachment, use a clip with the phone body. Now, we are all done. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, hit the like button, and comment in the comment section.